Openers. Get your ass off the table, bitch. Now nothing belongs on a poker table with cards, chips, and whiskey.
Kind of giving off attitude, ain't ya?
How many? You a tree. One.
I'm out again. I'll go home pretty soon.
Shut up.
I got a sick mother. She don't go to sleep till I come in now.
Then why don't you stay at home with her?
She says to go out, so I go. But I don't enjoy it. All the while I keep wondering how she is.
For Christ's sake, go home then. What you like? Very close.
You know, you all are married. But I'll be alone when she dies. I'm going to the bathroom.
Hurry back and we'll fix you a baby bar.
Go to hell.
7 o'clock start. Deal. Nobody's going to get up, so don't be worried.
Yeah, as long as this game is continuing.
Yeah, we get ready to quit.
Oh, it's so fascinating. Oh, boy.
You could not. Why don't you women go upstairs and sit with Eunice?
Well, it's nearly 2:30. We should call it quits after one more hand. Funny. So mad who does that right people. You know, I think I would bathe. Again, when my nerves are in knots. Is that your mom side? No. Oh, good evening.
Hello?
Blanche, this is Carol Mitchell. My sister Blanche Dubois.
How do you do, Miss Dubois?
How did your mother now, Mitch?
About the same, thanks. She appreciated you all sending over that suit, though. Excuse me, please.
He seems superior to the others. Yes, he is. Well, I thought he had a sort of a sensitive look. His mother is sick. Oh, is he married? No. Is he a creep? Why, Blanche, I don't think he would be. What does he do? Well, he's on the precision bench, the spare parts department at the plant standard job. Is that something much? No. Stan is the only one out of his crowd that's likely to get anywhere. What makes you think Stan will? Well, just look at him. Oh, I hate that him. You should know. Well, I'm sorry, but I haven't noticed the stamp of genius even on Stanley's forehead. Well, it's not on his forehead. It is genius. What is it anyway? I would like to know. Oh, it's just couldn't drive me, yeah. I'm glad she's standing in the light. Oh, what? You want to see their wives? Oh, I can imagine. Big, beefy things, I suppose. Oh, you remember the one upstairs? Oh, one time. The plastic crab.
You girls put out that cackling in there.
No, you can't hear us.
Well, you can hear me and I'll say to shut up.
This is my house, too, and I'll talk as much as I want to. Stella, don't start. Oh, we've had drunk. I'll be out in a minute.
All right, Mitch, you in?
What? No, I'm out.
Who turned that on in there?
I did, do you mind?
Well, turn it off. I reckon the girls got the music.
Sure, let's go
Leave it.
leave it.
Oh, damn. Sit down.
I didn't hear you name it.
Didn't I? Mitch.
I wasn't listening.
Well, what was he doing then?
Was too busy looking through them drapes. Now deal the hand over again and let's play cards or quits. Sit down!
Deal me out. I'm going to camp.
Oh, sure, he's got $720 bills in his pants pocket rolled up, ties no spitballs.
Tomorrow you see him down at the cashier's window getting them changed into quarters.
And when he goes home, he'll deposit them one by one in the piggy bank his mama left him for Christmas.
Hello. Oh, the little boys' room is busy right now.
We've been drinking beer.
Have you got any things?
Sure.
Oh my, what a pretty case. Silver.
Yes. Yes, read the inscription.
I was that inscription. Well, I can't quite make it out. If God choose, I shall but love thee better after death. Why, that is from my favorite sonnet by Mrs. Brown.
You know it.
Yes, I certainly do.
There's a story connected with that inscription.
Oh, well, it sounds like a romance.
Pretty sad one.
Oh.
The girl's dead now. She knew she was dying when she gave me this. Very strange girl, very sweet. Very.
Well, she must have been fond of you. Sick people have such deep, sincere attachments.
That's right, they sure do.
Sorrow makes for sincerity, I think.
It sure brings it out in people.
The little there is belongs to people who have experienced some sorrow.
I believe you are right about that.
What positive that I am. Show me a person who hasn't known any sorrow, and I'll show you a superficial. Oh, listen to me. My tongue is a little thick. You boys are responsible for it. The movie let out 11, but we couldn't come home on account of poker game. So we had to go somewhere and drink. And I'm not accustomed to having more than one drink. 2 is the limit, and 3. Tonight I had 3.
Mitch!
Deal me out, I'm talking to
Dubois.
Miss Dubois.
It's a French name. It means woods. And blanche means white. So the 2 together means white woods. Like an orchard in spring. You can remember it by that.
So you're French.
We are French by extraction.
You are Stella's sister, right?
Yes. Stella's my precious little sister. Oh, and I call her little, despite the fact that she's somewhat older than I. Just slightly, less than a year. Would you do something for me?
Sure, what?
I bought this adorable little color paper lantern at a shop on Vernon. Look up the light bulb.
Be glad to.
I just can't stand a naked light bulb any more than I can a rude remark or vulgar action.
I guess we strike you as a pretty rough bunch.
I'm very adaptable to circumstances.
Well, that's a good thing to be. So, you are visiting Stanley and Stella?
Yes. Stella's not been very well lately. So I came down here for a while to help her out. She's very run down.
You're not here.
Married? No. I'm an old maid school teacher.
You may teach school, but you're certainly not an old maid.
Oh, well, thank you, sir. I appreciate your gratitude.
So you're in the teaching profession?
Yes.
Grade school or high school?
Precious. With long power. I teach high school in law.
What do you teach? Or what subject?
Yes.
I bet you teach art or music.
Oh.
Of course, I could be wrong. You might teach math.
Oh, never mathematics, sir. Never mathematics. I can't even remember my multiplication tables. No, I have the misfortune of being an English instructor. I attempt to instill in a bunch of know-it-all teenagers a reverence for Hawthorne and Whitman and Poe.
I guess that some of them are just more interested in other things.
How very right you are. Their literary heritage is not what most of them treasure above all else. But in the spring, it is touching to notice them making their first discovery of love. This is nobody had ever known before.